Welcome back into this YouTube channel. This is African News, your number one entertainment YouTube channel in Africa. Ensure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be getting our latest videos when we upload. Okay guys, what is new in the internet? Still on the follow-up of baby Andy, Wangui Wambesha's child, whose demise was caused by a house help on Saturday. Guys, we are notified that few hours ago the baby has been laid to rest in Githunguri, Kiambu County. Okay guys, we have the eulogy of baby Andy and we are going to see about his birth, religious life and life story. When we look at birth, the late Adi Murori Kibe was born on 28th November 2020 at Kahawa West, Ward Roysambu constituency, Nairobi County. He was a son to Sami Kibe Murori and Monica Wangoi Karaoke, grandchild to Francis Murori and Zipporah Wamboi, David Wainaina and Grace Njoki. Religious life. Andy Murori Kibe was baptized on 5th September 2021 at PCEA Emmaus Church, Northern Bypass by Reverend Faith Kawira. Life story. Andy Murori Kibe was joy-free with incredible attachment to the mom, and he enjoyed random lights, cartoons, and he was adventurous. Guys, that is baby Andy, and we wish that he rest in eternal peace. This is African News. We are found in Instagram and Facebook as African News. Ensure you follow us. My name is Kadan. Meet in the next video. Bye bye.